Hello boys and girls, this is me Alex Solomon and you guys are watching Ready Pictures. Welcome back guys. Guys, before getting on to the video, if you like my videos, please you like, share and subscribe my videos so that I will know it's like a motivation to me. So and if you have any suggestions, please do mention in the comments guys. Guys, so today I am going to I'm leaving Coimbatore and I am heading towards Kodaikanal. So for the past 2 days we were here in Coimbatore and actually I was staying apart from the traveling I was staying here in the railway station because it was comparatively cheaper when considering of taking a room. A railway station was cheaper. If you can adjust a little bit, railway stations are a very good place to stay if you are adjusting towards the situations. Yesterday it was quite peaceful apart from being annoyed by the police officers, but still you can't always blame them because they have it's their duty because of the COVID protocols. No one apart from the travelers, people who are catching the train are allowed in the railway station. It's not like the earlier things like anyone can sleep. It's not like that. We have to be we had to have a train ticket with us or else we had to leave the railway station. So yesterday I had to leave the railway station, but then still I came in because I couldn't find a place outside, so I just came in again to sleep. So guys, today we are going to Kodaikanal and let's see. Maybe I asked one two people, so they just told me like bus is the only way to Kodaikanal. I don't know how much the bus fare will become. Maybe around 150 or 200. That will be the bus fare. And let's see. And I have only 60 rupees or 80 rupees with me. So let's see how far I can go today. So today my aim is to reach Kodaikanal. However, so let's see how we can go there, and and rest of the video I'll start rest of the video once I get out of the railway station, guys. So I'll see you out of the railway station, guys. Okay. So guys, I just stopped to have a breakfast at the shop. Actually, yesterday also I didn't have much food, so I just thought I just have some breakfast. So wherever I go or wherever Malayalis go, they will have parota. It's just like that. I'm having parota, so 3 parotas is like 40 rupees and you will get a gravy for free. Okay, so this is the parota and the gravy. So I'll just come back after having the food, guys. Okay. Hello guys, so guys, we are on our way to Kodaikanal and I just reached Ukkada. Ukkada is the bus stand in Coimbatore. It is one of the major bus stands in Coimbatore. As you can see, there are lots of buses going to different places. So a lot of buses that's going to different places, guys. So if you want to go to Kodaikanal, you will get direct buses from here. From Ukkada you will get direct buses, but the thing is like that if you're going from Ukkada, maybe the bus fare will be a little bit higher than what you think. So you have to go to Palani, you have to take a local bus to Palani and then you have to go from there to Kodaikanal, guys. So let me see if I can find a bus to Palani. There are a lot of buses to Palani, but let me see if I can find a bus to Palani, guys. Okay, so I'll get on the bus and I'll get back to you guys. Okay. Guys, so as I was walking through the streets, I just saw this guy and he just told me like, the way if you take the direct bus to Kodaikanal, it will be hard for you, so you have to take the bus to Palani and then you have to go from there, then it's more cheaper. So that's what his name is, Chandru, and he is he is not calling anyone. Actually he was calling someone, sorry guys. So actually he's my friend. I just met him and he has just now become my friend, guys. Very nice person. He just told me like, you shouldn't go directly to Kodaikanal because it takes so much money. And he just told me like first you have to go to Palani and then from there you have to hold the bus to Kodaikanal. So that's what more cheaper. So he's a good friend. I just met him here. That he just gave me these advices. And നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഏതാവോ சொல்லணுமா நம்ம ഓഡിയൻസ് கிட்ட നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഏതാവോ சொல்லணுமா
ആരെയും പറയാൻ പറ്റില്ല ദിനേശ ഇവിടെ അലക്സിനെ കണ്ടിട്ട് വളരെ സന്തോഷമായി
அப்படியா
ഓക്കെ
ஏதாவது சொல்லு നമ്മുടെ ഓഡിയൻസ് கிட்ட ஏதாவது சொல்லு
ആരെയും ചെന്നാ പറയുന്നത് നാട്ടിൽ നിന്ന് വന്നെങ്കിലേ സേഫ് ഉണ്ടാവും ഓക്കെ സേഫ്റ്റി ഫസ്റ്റ് ഓക്കെ ഒന്ന് അറിയാതെ ആൾക്കാരുണ്ടായി ആരുടെ ചോദിക്കണ്ട ഇപ്പോൾ ഉണ്ട് അവിടെ എവിടെ പോകുകയാണെങ്കിൽ അവിടെ ചോദിച്ചെങ്കിലും മതി വേറെ ആരുടെ ചോദിക്കണ്ട പക്ഷേ എന്നമ്മ ആൾക്കാരെ അവർ ഉണ്ടില്ല പക്ഷേ എൻ്റെ പെരുമ പറയിട്ടില്ല പക്ഷേ പറയുന്നു ഡീസൻ്റ് ആണെങ്കിൽ നീ പറഞ്ഞു ചോദിച്ചു പക്ഷേ ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞു പക്ഷേ എൻ്റെ അമ്മ ആൾക്കാരുടെ ഉണ്ടാവും ഇവിടെ പട്ടായിട്ടൊക്കെ വിട്ടാണ് ഓക്കെ ആണാ അവിടെയൊക്കെ നമ്മണ്ട ഓക്കെ അതാണ് പറയുന്നത് ഓക്കെ മെസ്സേജ് ആണ് അല്ലേ
guys. So Chandru Anna is just very nice person, guys. So I'll just get on to the bus and I'll catch back with you. Okay, guys. So guys, I just get on to the bus that's on its way to Palani. It hasn't started, but I think it will start soon. Let's see. I don't know if you can hear me. The voice of the bus is like too much loud. Anyways, we are going to Palani and then from there we will go to Kodaikanal. So from this place, from Coimbatore to Palani, it's 71 rupees. Actually, you will get different buses. It's different rate. This is the cheapest bus. Green color buses are cheap in here Tamil Nadu. So that's why I bought this green color bus. So I hope we are leaving, guys. So it seems like we are leaving. So this is a bus stand. There are a lot of buses here, and let's see how things go. And okay, guys. Okay, so I'll update you once I reach Palani, guys. So guys, so I just reached Palani, guys, and you can see a horse here. It's a horse rickshaw here. They are feeding him with some horse rickshaw. So since we reached here, I'm thinking like we should go to the Palani temple. It shows in the map like it's just 1.7 kilometers from here, so I think we should go there and let's go visit that temple and then we will go to Kodaikanal, guys. So it's just 1.7 kilometers from here, so I think it's about walking distance. So let's go there and let's see how big it is. So we have just reached the temple. Actually this is called the Subramanya Swami temple. So as part of this culture, first we have to visit this temple here and then we have to go to the temple on the top, the Palani temple. This temple is known as this is where the Swami first came, and it's where he resided at first and then he went to the hills. So it's advised that it's also a strong belief that first we should visit this temple first and then we should go there. So I'm walking towards this temple. So this is the temple here. So first thing you have to remove your shoes over here. Shoes in the so first you have to remove our shoes here. So you have what happened is that we have restrictions inside to shoot inside the temple, so you can shoot inside the temple, but if you are coming here for darshanam, you will get a darshanam very quickly, guys, because it's not that crowded as it is. It is crowded, but still, you know, when I came, it was crowded, but still you will get a darshanam because it isn't as crowded as when it was back years because of the COVID. So I think we are walking towards Palani. I think we are walking towards Kovil Ingatana. Kovil in the Pakanda. Okay, so that's a Kovil. We are walking towards it. All you can see is the stores over here. Both sides you can see those stores over here. Both sides are filled with stores, as well as this side. So guys, both these sides are filled with stores, and it's always will be like this because there are a lot of people coming in here to see to come and see the deity over here. So it's a never-ending festival. It's like just like that. The stores are. Guys, this is a entrance towards the temple. You can see different people here. Photo tachi. Guys, when I was taking video through the streets, the person selling guava just called me in, and he just gave me a guava, like as if a friendship, things like that. So it was very touching. So guys, we are still walking towards the temple. As you can see, it's stores again, full of stores, guys. Everywhere you can see these stores. You can see a horse here. Horse rides are common here, guys. You can see different people. These are all different kinds of ways people make their livelihood here. Actually, it's purely based on this temple that they are making out their livelihood, guys. Lots of shops here. They keeps on calling you, because it's part of the business. Actually, now I think they don't have much business because of the COVID. The crowd is lesser compared to earlier. So हाय कर
और यूट्यूब पे
यूट्यूब
पे देते प्रचार
Okay, so I haven't seen the temple here. I think I'm just reaching there. Let's see, guys. I think it's nearby, guys. I think the temple is very near here. And the temple is there.
Temple is there.
Yeah. So guys, that's over there. That's a temple. As you can see, that green boarding is a temple. I think that's the gate to the temple. So let's go inside the temple and see, and let's see the deity over there. And in the കോവിലിക്ക് സ്വാമി പേരെന്നാ? മുരുകൻ. മുരുകൻ. മുരുകൻ da? മുരുകൻ. മുരുകൻ. So let's go see Muruga Swami. ഇതാണ്. So this is a temple, and before going on to the temple we need to give our things here. We need to keep our footwear. We are not allowed to use our footwear, so we need to remove our footwear as well as our bag. We will keep our bag here, guys. So I just kept my bag over here, and it's per bag 10 rupees. That's how the charges are. So this is a place where I kept my bag. This is owned by this is owned by the Devasam board, so you don't have to worry. You just keep your bag here. It's 10 rupees per bag. You'll see a lot of people approaching you that they will say, like, you know, they will keep your bag and things like that. So but the thing is, you need to buy something from them, maybe like, you know, puja, things that's related to puja. So you need to buy those things and you need to keep your bag. This is much safer, and also it's much safer. So this is a place where you have to information center, it's called. So this is a place where you have to keep your bag. It's just 10 rupees for a bag. So including my backpack as well as my sleeping bag, she told it's 2 bags, cannot be counted as a single bag. So she told like it's 20 rupees. You can see people all over, different fancy shops. It's full of fancy shops, this area, full of fancy shops. Okay, so let's get into the temple. So I'll show you once I get into the temple, guys. Okay, guys. Shoes വെക്കരുത്. Shoes വെക്കരുത്. Shoes. So before getting into the temple, you need to keep your shoes inside this, and they are giving it for free. So very good. Thank you. Ma, thank you. So guys, we are entering the temple. This is the entrance of the temple, guys. You can see people praying. Okay, so this is where the stairs starts. This is where the Palani temple starts. Actually, the real stairs starts here. Oof, guys, my legs are burning. Oof. Actually, it's so hot. Me. Actually, it's so hot. It was so hot over there. Now we don't have that issue, but it was super hot down there, and my legs are now burnt, I guess, because it was that hot. Let's see. As you can see, people who have shaved their hair and who has used chandanam. It is just like a custom here to shave your head once you're in Palani. It's one of the biggest customs here to shave your head once you're here. It's like, like a tribute to the god that we do. So you can see many people here who have shaved their heads. I think it's this way. Yes, this is my first time coming here in Palani, and what I thought was the climb will be very steep and dangerous, but as you can see, it's very well maintained and very well put with these rocks. And I think they are doing some works here. Construction works are going on here. Okay, so let's climb up and see the temple at the top, guys. Okay. As the view is getting better and better as you climb up. Actually, you can see the road that we came, the main road. So let's climb, guys. Let's climb. Let's see. This is called the Idumpa temple. Let's see what shoot பண்ண முடியுமா? ஷூட் பண்ண முடியுமா? முடியாது. As you can see here, he's making these sculptures. Live here, he's making these sculptures, guys. He's a person who is making it. Actually, this is a finished one, and this is in the preparation of it. He's preparing it, he's molding it into this. Very nice, right? Okay, so we just reached the top of the temple. So we are here. As you can see, these are the steps. Guys, so we are reached here. Guys, so as you can see, we are circling the temple. Actually, circling the temple is like, you know, darshanam. Darshanam pannuva appadithaan solluva Tamil. In Tamil we say like darshanam, which is like, you know, protect the temple. It is like a custom here. So that's what we are doing now. We are protecting the temple. You can see many sculptures there, guys. These are all sculptures that denotes gods. Actually the number of people coming here is comparatively less compared to the previous scenarios, because at early times, you know, there used to be a lot of people coming here, but now you don't find those much people here because of the corona issues. We can't see much people, but still there is like serious crowd here. I think this is a place where people are getting the prasadam. This prasadam is like a food that we get from the ambalam. Prasadam is like, you know, it is like food that we get from the ambalam. So the whole people is waiting for the prasadam here. The complete people are waiting for the prasadam. So let's see if we can get any prasadam here, guys. Let's see if we can get some prasadam here. Guys, so we are waiting in the queue. We are waiting here in the queue to buy some prasadam. I think this is the queue for the prasadam. Actually, I don't know. Let's see, guys. Guys, so we are still in the queue, waiting to receive the prasadam. Actually, the queue is going pretty faster than I thought, but it's a long queue. It's going really fast. As you can see, we are literally walking. No one is waiting here. Everyone is literally walking in the queue. So that's how speed they are giving up the prasadam. And the queue is like, you know, super. The length of the queue was really big. Actually, you can see 2 rows here, right? The whole row. That's how big the queue is. Lot of people here waiting in the queue for the prasadam. So let's see. So we are close to that. So let's see. So I'll just come back after I get the prasadam, guys. Okay, guys. So finally I got the prasadam. As you can see, this is the prasadam, and let's unwrap this and let's see what's inside this. Guys, this is a prasadam that we get from the Kovil over here, from the temple. This is rice, as you can see, rice, as well as there is some pickle. This is, I guess, it's mango pickle over here. So let me just taste it and I'll just tell how the prasadam feels like. Okay. Guys, even though it looks simple, but it tastes really good. I don't know how it tastes this good, but it has a special taste to it. It's nothing like something that I have eaten, guys. It's very different from what I've eaten. I don't know what rice is this, but it's very tasty. And so I'll just come back after I finish this prasadam, guys. Okay, guys. guys. So I'm getting down to the base of the temple. You can see. So I'm getting down. It only has 3 legs. It will be always here. There's a poor dog. This dog is like, you know, it only has 3 legs, guys. Poor dog. Guys, so I will let's continue the video once I get down, and then let's move to other place. Okay, guys. So guys, I'm walking towards the bus stand so that we can catch a bus to Kodaikanal. Actually, we have finished everything here in Palani, so let's go back. So let's go to the bus stand. It's around 2 kilometers from here, so let's go there, and let's get the bus to Kodaikanal, guys. Okay, guys. So the bus to Kodaikanal will be here by only 6 p.m. So now it's only 3:30. I think now it's 4 p.m. Correct time, I don't know the correct time, but it looks like we have to wait for another 2 hours for the bus to come. But let's just wait, because that's only chance we have. And 6 p.m. is the last bus to Kodaikanal. So let's see.